Without the cell group, my life would probably be boring.
I'm not in a cell group. Probably, typical lang ako dyan na attender siguro sa church.
My life would probably be boring and I could have been lost.
Kung walang cell group, siguro sa mga konting pagsubok lang, manghihina ako. Tsaka talagang malaki ang naitutulong nito sa akin.
I am Lauren.
Ako si Evelyn Navarro.
Ako ay si Vangie Gonzalez.
I'm Joy Rompawa. I am a member of a cell group.
Ang mga kasama ko sa cell group, mga katulad ko ring mga nanay, mga kasing edad ko, ay mga kababaihan kami. Halos magkakasing edad kami.
My cell group is composed of young adults. Most of us are working, and actually some of us are very active in the YA ministry, especially sa midweek service.
Ang cell group ko ay mga young couples with kids.
My cell group is composed of 7 couples and we've been together for more than 10 years already. The cell group is important to me because it's a form of worship. I believe in a cell group, we make God smile. So here we get to discuss about family relationships, our responsibility, roles as couples and parents in the eyes of God.
Mahalaga sa akin ang cell group. Kasi dito, nabibigyan kami ng chance na mag-share na kung ano man ang nangyayari sa buhay namin.
Nakakatulong ang cell group sa akin dahil sa aking spiritual growth. Sila ang, lalo sa mga nag-aaralan namin weekly, na nagkikita-kita kami. So yung mga napapag-aralan namin, nakakatulong talaga sa akin para lumagawa ko sa aking pananampalataya. Are you in a cell group?
Are you in a cell group?
Are you in a cell group? You should be.
You should be.
You should be. Make the effort.
Make the effort.
Make the effort. Join now.
Join now.
Join now!